No matter how wide a range of products you might have available in any category in the consumer electronics industry, there are a certain series of products that remain iconic because of the overall experience they continue to offer their users. The tablet revolution that was begun by Apple's iPad was continued by another iconic device, the Samsung Galaxy Tab, which opened the wider Android ecosystem to millions of users across the world. Our product today is one of the members of this Galaxy Tab family, the Galaxy Tab 4, which is carried on the tradition of combining top-quality features with extremely affordable pricing.
Here we go!
The Galaxy Tab 4 is a smartly designed white-colored device measuring just 0.35 inches in thickness and 0.61 pounds in weight, comfortable to hold and easy to move around with. It features a high-resolution 1280 by 800 pixel 7-inch display that offers rich graphics, bright colors, and crisp text, perfect for watching videos, surfing the net, or reading an ebook. High-quality cameras, 3 megapixels at the back and 1.3 megapixels at the front, allow you to take photos and selfies and video chat with friends. A very useful micro SD card slot allows you to add up to 32 gigabytes of additional memory to the 8 gigabyte onboard memory, giving you enough space to store all your music, videos, games, and documents. But beyond these standard features, there are a number of innovative touches that really make the Galaxy Tab 4 stand out. It allows for a multi-user mode, letting up to 8 users create independent profiles with separate sets of apps, backgrounds, and email. This lets the device be shared conveniently across all members of the family. It's also very easily used by kids in the family, with a kids mode that has an easy-to-control child-friendly interface, which can also allow parents to track the time spent by kids on the tablet and set accessibility controls. The multi-window feature lets you run 2 applications side by side and even open the same app twice. The built-in IR blaster allows the tablet to be used as a universal remote control, and the Watch On feature offers TV listings and personalized recommendations. The Tab 4 is made extra special by the Galaxy Perks, about $300 worth of free content and services, including 3 audiobooks from Audible, 50 gigabytes of Dropbox space, and so much more. To ensure that all these functions are performed smoothly, you have a very effective 1.2 GHz quad-core processor with a 1.5 GB RAM running under its hood. The versatile Android 4.4 KitKat operating system adds to the tablet's strong capabilities. A thoughtfully designed tablet with features that are practical and efficient, it's no wonder that the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 has proven to be a blockbuster product. It has earned a high average score of 4.3 on 5 from over 5,700 user reviews, with praise for most of its features and really competitive pricing. That's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Were you looking for something else? Take a look at our other tablet reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.